Now let's turn our attention to restoring data. There's just a few things you need to know here outside of hands-on experience to be able to answer questions about restoring data. First of all, there's a couple of things. WinRE. Now this is basically a repair, and this is found on the installation screen for the operating system. And you're going to use this to restore the entire system. So you've done a backup of everything and you want to put everything back like it was. You're going to use WinRE. And you're going to kick off the installation with your CD, and then you're going to choose Repair, and this will throw you into WinRE. Now, the Directory Services Restore mode. Easy to remember. This is what will restore the directory services or the system state data. Now, restoring this requires a server restart because we're going to restart the server, and as the server is coming up, we're going to hit F8, and we're going to kick it into startup options. This is just like starting the machine up in safe mode. We're going to restart it, hit F8, and we will choose Directory Services Restore mode. I can use this to restore data to my Active Directory. Okay? So just remember that DSRM restores data to the directory. Just remember D's and D's. Now, here's the gotcha. DSRM has a password that you have to know to continue with the DSRM restore. Now, where'd that password come from? It asked you that question when you installed Windows Server 2008 and you put something in. Now this password is different from your administrative password. Now Microsoft has some hot fixes out there that will keep these two in sync. In other words, every time you change your administrative password, it will automatically sync the DSRM password. However, it does not go back the other way. If you change the DSRM password, then they're different from the admin now. So just keep those ideas in mind there. Now, like every other topic we've talked about, just go play with restoring some data. Okay? Work through DSRM, work through the repair off of the install screen, and just step through it. Go out, look in TechNet, read over this data, and you should be fine. But as long as you can understand the differences between when you're going to use WinRE to get the whole system and when you're going to use DSRM, and just know that about that password. You'll see out in the documentation how to change that password. Don't frustrate yourself a whole lot with all that stuff. Just kind of go out there, read up on this just a little bit. Light reading will get you through restoring data as long as you understand this for most of the test. Concentrate here just a little bit. I think you'll be fine.